recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I know from the resource persons, the manufacturers, the shooters association, is owning a firearm a right or a privilege?
Anybody from the
Pinag-usapan kasi natin ngayong
yes.
araw na ito, yung gusto niyo na magkaroon ng firearm, bawat Pilipino na gustong magkaroon ng firearm. Now, let's start sa general principle. Is owning a firearm a right or a privilege? May I ask from the private sector first?
Who want to answer the query of Congressman Acop? So, Ma'am Gina Angangco, you are recognized. Please answer the query of Congressman Acop, please.
Mr. Chair, Congressman Acop, it is a right of every citizen to protect themselves.
No, I'm not asking that
regardless
question.
of what we use legally.
The question whether ownership of a gun is a right or a privilege.
Well, since we have
right
to defend
that
ourselves
is in the Constitution.
With whatever legal
Kindly answer my
unit,
question
then
directly,
we
yes or
believe
no?
it is a right.
Wait, ma'am. Please, when the members of this committee is speaking, don't interrupt.
I'm
Please
sorry,
wait
sir.
for
I will follow the protocol.
Yes, please wait for the members to finish first, and then you can reply. Go ahead, Congressman Acop, please.
Is ownership of a gun a right or a privilege?
Yes, Mr. Congressman, we believe
Yes. No
it
more.
is
Yeah.
a right.
It's okay.
Yes.
How about you,
If
Mr.
we're
Reyes?
qualified.
It's a right.
The open mic. Open mic, Mr. Reyes, please.
Very specific yung tanong ko, ownership of a gun.
Yes, it's
It's a right?
a right. Like,
Okay.
It's almost like owning a car. It's a right to own a
Okay.
car.
Yeah. Kayo po, Madam.
Comelec. Attorney James or Attorney Bautista, you can reply to the query. Please answer.
In my opinion po, Your Honors, it is a privilege to own a firearm.
Thank you. Kayo po. Doon po sa mga shooters association.
Paki-turn off yung mic. To the associations of the Mr. Attorney Gutierrez, you are raising your hand, please.
Attorney Rodriguez, Your Honor. Anyway, technically and legally, it is a statutory right. A right granted by law.
Okay. You want to ask?
Kindly present to me a provision of law that makes it a statutory right, that ownership of a gun is a right.
Yes, Your Honor.
What provision of law?
RA 10591.
What provision of 10591 would it state that it is a right? Abogado po kayo, di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
It's a statutory right, meaning it is granted by
It
law.
is provided for by law.
Yes.
Nagkaintindihan tayo. Abogado rin po ako eh.
Yes, I know.
Oh. Kaya nga, what provision of law? Kindly state that provision of law. Kasi sinasabi mo statutory right. I'm asking you, what law grants that statutory right?
We'll check on the provision, Your Honor, of the law, and I'll get back, Your
Yes,
Honor.
hanapin mo lahat
Yes.
yan. Wala akong makita.
Yes, Your Honor.
Members of the PNP, you want to reply to the query of Congressman Acop, please? Simple lang naman tanong eh. Sige na po. You want to answer? Sige, go ahead. Please state your name.
Attorney Castillo from DND.
From DND?
From DND.
Go ahead.
The right to own firearms under the law is only a privilege, right, Mr. Chair? The rights that are mandated are those the right enshrined in our Constitution. But the right to own firearms is merely a privilege, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
PNP, please.
Sir, it is a privilege. We have a Supreme Court ruling to that effect, sir.
Asek Racho, please.
Mr. Chair, it is a privilege, sir.
All right. Sa
Privilege
privilege,
about transnational crime.
Attorney Martin Ontok.
Your Honors, I would have to echo the sentiments of my colleagues. It is a privilege, Your Honor, and not a right.
Colonel Dilag, ano ang Supreme Court decision which says na ownership of a firearm is a privilege and not a right? Kasi binanggit mo na merong Supreme Court decision.
Yes, sir. The Chavez versus Romulo, sir.
I beg your pardon?
Chavez versus Romulo, sir.
When was that promulgated?
2009, sir.
2009. Okay. Would you agree with that, attorney? Doon sa huli.
Congressman Akop, can I be allowed to speak? Attorney Lacambra, Your Honor.
Okay, you are recognized, Attorney
We need
Lacambra.
to distinguish between the two basic rights. Since it's now allowed by the law, it's
Ano po
now
ang
considered
allowed by law?
for the RA
Let's be clear about
10591,
it,
Your
kasi
Honor.
very specific yung tanong ko.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ownership of a gun.
It
is
is
it a
a-
right or privilege?
We need to distinguish, Your Honor. Since it's now allowed by law,
What do
it
you
is
need to
a
distinguish sa ownership of a gun?
it's now a statutory right, Your Honor.
Ownership
Because-
of a gun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano
Statutory
po ang
right.
provision?
The state policy of the RA 10591 itself states, Your Honor, granting the private citizen to the right to own a licensed firearm, Your Honor.
Would you
It's a
please read that
statutory
provision
right.
of law na specifies ownership of a gun?
Yes, Your Honor.
The right to own a gun or right to self-defense ang sinasabi.
My partner will answer it, Your Honor.
So we have the copy of Republic Act 10591. What particular section of Republic Act 10591 are you pertaining with? Kasi yun ang tanong ni Congressman Akop.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige, state it, please.
Article on registration and licensing,
Article what?
Section 8, anong article? Article 3, Your Honor. Article 3 of RA 10591, Section 9, it says there, subject to the requirements set forth in this Act and payment of required fees, a qualified individual may be issued the appropriate license under the following categories.
May be issued.
Yes,
May be issued.
yes.
In other words, it is subject to regulations.
Well,
Would you agree with me?
yes, Your Honor. Of course. That's 10591.
I would like...
I think we are getting confused
I'm
between a
not
privilege.
confused, attorney.
No, the
I'm
confusion.
the one asking questions here.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not confused.
Okay.
I would like to read also a decision of the Supreme Court
I'm familiar with that, Your
Acosta versus Ochoa, date, GR number 2111559, October 15, 2019. The gist of that decision is that use of firearms is a privilege, not a right. There is no constitutional right to bear arms. Neither is the ownership or possession of a firearm a property right.
We agree, Your Honor.
Wala na tayong pagdebatihan kung nag-agree ka, attorney.
Hindi.
Di ba?
I think we
Ikaw
have
naman.
to
Ikaw naman gusto mo pa lumusot eh. Huwag kang
clarify the
lumusot.
privilege and statutory right. It's practically almost the same and synonymous.
Walang nagsasabi directly na statutory right to own a firearm. No. I would beg to disagree with you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
Alright.
Huwag ka na lumusot,
So,
attorney.
ang pinag-uusapan
Kasi,
po,
bago ako pumunta rito, nag-research na ako. Kayo, hindi nyo pa nga siguro nababasa yung mga ito eh.
We are very familiar with that, Your Honor.
Come on, attorney. Don't tell me that crap. Itong tanda kong ito, marami na ako nakasalumuhang kagaya mo. Itong palusot.
Thank you, Your Honor.
okay. Alright.
Now, there's another
go ahead,
question.
go ahead, Congressman Akop.
General principle, Mr. Chair, regarding this issue. Now, dito ngayon, pag-uusapan natin, which is more important, accessibility or safety? matanong ko pa nga kayo, ano po ang mas importante? Kasi if I read the provisions of the bills, ginagawa, mas gusto natin na mas accessible ang firearms at saka ammunitions. Now, which is more paramount? Accessibility to firearms or safety of the people?
Okay, resource persons who wanted to answer.
Mr. Chair, if I may,
DND, please, answer.
under the Constitution, Mr. Chair, under the General Welfare Clause, is the safety that's more paramount, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
What's your reply, please?
Under the General Welfare Clause of the Constitution, it is the safety which is more paramount than accessibility,
Yes,
Mr. Chair.
paramount consideration is the safety. Okay. PNP, again.
DND.
PNP.
The population, that comes first.
Okay. Nika, you want to answer?
Just like with the position of the PNP, sir, safety.
So, the ILG, same position?
Yes, sir. Safety of the people,
And also
sir.
the national crime?
Yes, Mr.
Same?
Chair. Same.
All right. The manufacturers and the dealers associations, you want to answer on the query of Congressman Akop? Please, the white, the one wearing a white polo, please answer back.
That's attorney. Thank you, Honorable Chairperson. We actually agree with the sentiments of the government personnel that the safety of the public is something to keep into consideration. Although we would also like to submit that the accessibility and also the safety does not necessarily contradict each other, that there could be a picking of certain provisions which may be both beneficial to both the safety of the general welfare of the public as well as also making it accessible to some licensed individuals, because as we know, and as also pointed out by the Representative Akop, and correctly so, that the ownership of firearms, it is actually a privilege. We just have to distinguish that there is a difference between the property itself, which is a right to property, and being licensed to own, which is why we're here all today to request the kind indulgence of this committee, because we understand that the firearm ownership is regulated by laws, which is why we are here today. Having said that, we also submit that there is a possibility of promoting both accessibility and also the public safety, which is why we have to look into both jurisprudence, as also cited by the committee members here today, as well as relevant statistics, whether both local or international, to see trends, if there is any merit to promoting one sort of restriction over the other. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Any other resource persons who wanted to answer back? Mr. Rico? Mr. Rico?
Yes, thank you for recognizing this input, Honorable Fernandez. So for our feedback, and this comes from our experience of owning firearms for many years now. Of course, we all want safety, and our firearms laws here in the Philippines at present are actually doing a very good job at keeping the public safe. However, I believe that that there is somewhat of a false dichotomy here between having to choose between safety and accessibility, because the reality here is that we can have both. We can have both. We can have very safe firearms laws and at the same time improve the efficiency to help lawful gun owners. And the reason why this is important is because the more we restrict firearms ownership, the more loose firearms proliferate. It is very easy for criminals to acquire firearms illegally. And if we make it very difficult for people to own firearms, it will only mean that criminals will have a bigger disadvantage over us, and the more likely that firearms being sold in the black market will proliferate, because legal firearms are very difficult to acquire. So I think that we can accomplish both by working together. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Actually, mag-12 na, and we have another